The nitrogen cycle is a fundamental ecological process that involves the transformation of nitrogen in various forms through different parts of an ecosystem. In aquatic systems, this cycle plays a critical role in maintaining water quality and supporting life. The cycle is complex, involving multiple steps and different types of bacteria, and can have profound impacts on the health of aquatic environments. Firstly, nitrogen enters aquatic systems through several pathways. Atmospheric deposition as a result of rain and dust, runoff from land, and effluent discharges can all contribute to the nitrogen levels in water bodies. Nitrogen is also introduced through the excretion and decomposition of plants and animals within the ecosystem. Once in the water, the nitrogen cycle begins with nitrogen fixation. This is where specific bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen N2, which is inert and not directly usable by most organisms, into ammonia, NH3, or related compounds. These nitrogen-fixing bacteria may live freely in the water or in symbiotic relationships with plants. The ammonia produced through fixation or other means, such as decomposition of organic matter, can then undergo nitrification. This is a two-step process where it's first converted to nitrite, NO2, and then to nitrate, NO3 by nitrifying bacteria. These forms of nitrogen can be taken up by aquatic plants or algae and used for growth, entering the food web. After assimilation by plants, the nitrogen can be transferred to herbivorous and then carnivorous organisms through consumption. This continues until organisms die or excrete waste, at which point decomposers, bacteria, and fungi break down organic matter, returning ammonia to the water, a process called ammonification. A critical part of the nitrogen cycle in aquatic systems is denitrification, which closes the loop. Denitrifying bacteria convert nitrate into nitrogen gas that is returned to the atmosphere. Without this step, nitrogen compounds would build up in the water, potentially leading to eutrophication. Eutrophication is a serious water quality issue related to excessive nutrient loads, including nitrogen. When there is an abundance of nutrients in the water, particularly nitrate, it spurs the growth of algae and plants. While this may seem beneficial, when these organisms die, they are decomposed, a process that depletes oxygen in the water. This can lead to hypoxic conditions, or dead zones, where the lack of oxygen kills fish and other aquatic life. Nitrogen cycling also impacts the acidity of water bodies. The nitrification process produces hydrogen ions, which can contribute to the acidification of water, affecting the organisms that can survive in that environment. In summary, the nitrogen cycle in aquatic ecosystems is a balanced and crucial process involving fixation, nitrification, assimilation by plants and animals, ammonification, and denitrification. It's responsible for recycling essential nutrients, but it can also lead to environmental concerns such as eutrophication and acidification when imbalanced, usually due to human activities. Maintaining a balanced nitrogen cycle is therefore vital for sustaining healthy aquatic ecosystems and ensuring good water quality.